Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. We have received many questions, more than 300, mailbox and comment box. My dear friends, many questions you have answered already and many questions regarding IPO only, whether I can buy this IPO or that IPO, etc. etc. I am really worried that people are not looking at the older videos. We have already explained in detail regarding each IPO, and we have also told very clearly worth buying or not, all fundamental details. Plus, we are also making one more video just prior to booking on the second day, saying whether we are applying or not. If so many things we are saying, making videos, and still people are asking the same question, I have a feeling that they are not very serious about their improvement nor regarding investment in stock market. Please have a look at all our videos in the past, maybe last 1 week at least, before asking any question and in the comment box. Amit Kumar has asked the first question. Why IPO is not allotted? Very interesting question. Many people ask the same question. For example, let me look at how IPO process takes place. IPO is on for 3 days. Everybody will apply. Somebody will apply for one lot, somebody will apply for maximum number of lots in the retail section. And what happens is very often they are oversubscribed. Like MTAR IPO was oversubscribed 206 odd times. That means for every one share, there are 206 people waiting for allotment. That means your chances of getting allotment is less than 1%, or to be precise, 0.5%. Then the chances are that your IPO will get into the computer, and then a random number is generated looking at the PAN card, and then the computer will generate a random number, and those people who are taken out of the lucky dip will get the chances. Now next question is, what time is best to apply in 3 days time? Just recently I was listening to one other channel, famous channel in Karnataka, and the commentator was telling everybody, you apply within the first day afternoon itself so that the chances of getting allotment is bright. Absolutely wrong. Whether you apply on the first day or the third day, whether you apply before 10 o'clock on the first day or you apply after 5 p.m. before 6 p.m. on the last day, it is all the same, because once all the applications come, a random number is being generated based on your PAN card and it will be allotted or not allotted. It is called all or none law. Some more people have a feeling that if I apply more lots, the chances of getting allotment is very high. Again, wrong. We have applied many times highest number of shares at a given time, like 13 lots, 12 lots, etc. But what happened finally was that we were allotted only one lot and rest of the money was very promptly refunded. Rather than saying refunding, I'm saying it was not taken up from my bank account. Only that was required was taken. Rest of the money was in the bank itself. So this is another thing. So question is, when you apply, not important. How much shares you apply, not important. Now some more people ask me a question. Sir, I have two Demat accounts. So what I will do is, Amit Kumar, yes, then I will apply in one Demat company. Amit Kumar, yes, I'll apply for another Demat company. Like in this case, Upstocks and HDFC Securities. And chances are very bright. Wrong. Normally, your name is attached with the PAN card. PAN card number is used for generating a particular allotment. What happens is, once your PAN card is allotted, the second allotment chances are dismal, or even some people telling me, if you apply two in two names, then the company is unlikely to select you because of the dishonesty. Anyway, let me summarize. Number of shares, not important. When you apply, not important. How many names you apply is not important. Now coming to one more important thing. How can I increase my chances of getting the allotment? So what Amit Kumar can do is, I don't know what is his age, I don't know what is his marital status, I am just making some general statements. Amit Kumar will apply in his name. Amit Kumar will apply in his wife's name, and grown-up children plus 18, their demat account also is available, apply in their name. Your father, mother, your father-in-law, mother-in-law available at home, you will apply in their names too, so that the chances of getting allotment becomes little more brighter. What I am trying to say, instead of 1 by 206, you will make it 8 by 206. Now again, Amit Kumar has asked me, my brokers are Upstocks and HDFC Securities. There is no favoritism as far as the brokerage companies are concerned. Whether you are applying for Upstocks or HDFC Securities, it does not matter at all. What finally matters is your name and your PAN card. In order to dispel many of the misconceptions regarding IPO, we have made a beautiful video some time back. Many of you are not seeing it. That's why we're asking this question. I want all of you to have a look at this video, and the link is pasted up. Have a look at it so that you will never ask the same questions again. And we also decided any question regarding IPO we will not answer in the future, because so many videos are available regarding specific videos. Again, we are making one more video at 12 noon, second day of the IPO, regarding the GMP and the subscription status, whether to apply for the IPO or not. Plus, we also tell everybody whether we are applying or not. Very important, look at the videos at least 1 week in the past before you send any comments in the comment box. Once you send the question in the comment box, I feel uncomfortable if I have not replied it. That's why I am making it very clear. In the future, please look at least 1 week's earlier videos before you send your questions. Large number of people keep asking us, Dr. Bharath Chandra, when is your 10 weeks Kannada online stock market workshop? To know more details about it, you need to attend compulsorily a special free introductory webinar on 21st March 2021 Sunday between 11 o'clock to 1:15 p.m. To get the link for this introductory webinar, you have to send us an email, successdigest@gmail.com. Name, mobile number, very clearly mentioning in the subject column, I am interested in Kannada webinar. Then you will get the link. Now, before that, if you want to have more details about course and the content, visit www.drbharatchandra.com. Kubrappa has asked the next question. Question number 1, rupees 5,000, if I invest every month, it is only one company or divide to many companies? Not only me, all members of family are seeing your videos. Very good question. In fact, what Kubrappa should do is, every month if he is allocating 5,000 rupees for SEP, means systematic equity plan, then what he should do is divide approximately by 2,500 into 2. Now 2,500, you buy one sector. Maybe you will go for Titan, means you can go for 2 Titan approximately in 2,500. Then one more section is left behind, you can buy Asian Paint. And this is for the month of January. For the month of February, now you cannot buy the same stocks, so you'll go for HDFC Bank. Maybe second section in the second month could be L&T shares, maybe 1 or 2. This is exactly how you should go. January, February, March, April, May, and 10 sectors. You keep on buying them at leisure and at your own convenience, and make a tabular column and follow the same thing after this particular cycle is over. In fact, in our workshops, we deal with this particular topic for more than 2 hours explaining how to allocate it to different sectors. The next question of Kubrappa is, my age is 41, very good. My monthly income is rupees 25,000. Please guide me. For example, Kubrappa may be able to save 20% of the salary. That's our national average of saving. That means 5,000 rupees. If 5,000 is invested for 19 years for retirement, at 12%, if he invests in mutual fund, he may get 40 lakhs. Suppose he invests in stocks, good stocks, 15%, that means 57 lakhs. Suppose he takes Dr. Bharath Chandra's workshop. He is an expert in locating good and performing stocks. Plus, he knows how to calculate past profits. Plus, he is an expert in going for fundamental analysis. Plus, he is going to do fundamental analysis of all the stocks which he has purchased once in 3 months. Then, chances of getting 18% per annum CAGR over the next 19 years is very bright. And then he may land up with 81 lakhs. But let me give you one more brighter side of it, one more rosy picture. In case Kubrappa takes this workshop of ours, and then he will be an expert in locating, performing really good stocks, and then he can expect anywhere from 18 to 30%, and then you'll be surprised that 81 lakhs can be well over 1 crore for retirement. The next interesting question is JC Digi Media. After IPO is allotted, when can we sell it? Very interesting question. Large number of people ask this question. That's why we are replying them today. For example, IPO is allotted. You know, you get the message. After that, 3 days or 4 days later, it gets listed in the browsers. That particular day is called as a listing day, and the time at which it gets listed for the first time is called listing rate. And then after that, on the same day, it may go higher or it can come down. If you sell it on the listing day, that is called as selling it for listing gain. In case you sell the IPO on the listing day, the profit will be added to your annual income and you may have to pay up to 30%. In case you keep it for 3 months or 6 months and sell it, I'm giving an example, 100 rupees IPO, and that is the issue price, lists at 150, you sell it at 150, you make a profit of 50 rupees, it is added to your business income. In case it is sold after 3 or 6 months, 100 rupees becomes 120 or 180. Let us take it as an example. Then you will be ending up paying 15%. Suppose you sell the stock after 1 year, maybe for 200 rupees. Then that 100 rupees profit you made will be taxed at 10%. So I hope I explained everything in detail. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe and also press bell icon and all, so that next time the video is released, you will get the notification directly into your mobile. Video is good, press like button. If the video is good, send it to all your friends so that they can dispel many of their doubts regarding IPO. And then the information is useful, in the comment box type useful. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.